Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily set up your own LLC in Minnesota. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below this video and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us to start our own LLC in Minnesota. Now, why is it important for me to share this with you? I see that many times business owners, they are actually focusing on administration, micromanaging accountancy, always taking care of how to start a business. But what I always say that you should focus on generating revenue, making money, running the business, and also providing value to people, not taking care of everything. Like you should outsource stuff. And Incfile, with their amazing customer support, really good reviews, I recommend it because after finishing this video, you will know, you will have like started your LLC. Then you need to do the filling and some paperwork, but you're in a really good way. So click here, start my business, and I think I'm going to do this a little bit. Yeah, much better. So here you choose LLC, and then you scroll down below and you're gonna find Minnesota. Here you're gonna have an option between 3 plans: silver, gold, and platinum. Now you get the option for silver, which is the basic one. Then you're gonna have the gold that I always recommend is that you're gonna have the registered agent, business tax number, operating agreement, unlimited phone and email support, business tax consultation, and then you get option for the platinum version where you're gonna have the expedited filling, domain name, and business email. So the filling means that it will be your LLC will be filled faster. Compared to normal weeks, it will be in days. So let's say I'm going to choose the gold version here, like get the gold package. Now I'm going to add a first name and last name. So I'll go Marcus Tonelius. And I will write email, trail@gmail.com. And then I'm going to add a number. Like this. Street address. Town, and Minnesota. Okay, and then zip code. So now when you're gonna add your address, I'm going to press next. The next thing you're gonna have option the state filling time. You can go with the 1 business day or 3 weeks. That's like up to you. Now you can go also with a you will have option if you choose the gold version, gold package. Later in the video you will have option to choose a platinum one too. So I can go like 3 weeks filling time right now and then choose the platinum, or just go with the 1 business day and don't choose the platinum at all. I'll press next. LLC name, I'm going to add like Sunway, that's the name of my company, and then I'm going to add designator. I'm going to add the Sunway LLC here. The LLC name is the name of your company, so let's say Bakery by Jessica. And now I'm going to have number of members and owners. I'm going to have 1, myself, and business purpose. If you have more owners, you will add it right here. So now I'll add business purpose, marketing service for business owners. Then tell us what is your industry. Marketing consulting services, that's me. Or if you're construction, you find here construction, right? You're always going to find something here. And then you're going to choose the company address information. Then press next again. Company address information can be different one comparing to the mailing, like let's say you have office. Then you see the premium service package here that you can upgrade from the gold one. And if you need the business contract templates, this is something that I would recommend for you to do if you need it and if you want it. And then you have also options of domain name and business email address completely for free here. Now it's up to you if you like it or no. If you don't, just no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, but if you do, get upgrade and bonus. Now we have option to choose the member one, which is myself. I'm going to be individual, and then also the company here. So if you're representing company, press company. If you're just individual, just press individual. And here you're gonna choose name and address and percentage of ownership. Now when you got it, again, I'm going to press next here. And then you're gonna have the registered agent information. So this is something that you can get it from Incfile completely for free for 1 full year. And typical documents received by a registered agent, series of process, notification of a pending lawsuit, state correspondences. So this is really good to have the registered agent by our own and not doing it by ourselves. So when you're going to click here on with Incfile, press next again. Now you need to have add your SSN number and first name, last name. This is like 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your IN from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain. So on the SSN number, I'll just simply add it. And when you got it, just press address. And when you have it, just press next here. And now what you will see is that you're going to have the Bank of America, and you will see, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me, or not at this time. So if you want to start your own business with Bank of America, your bank account, you can go there, or not at this time. Then press next. And then you're going to have an option to have a tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to have with the Incfile. Click here to yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. Is that you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So all the important stuff you will learn right here. And when you got it, you're gonna click again next. And then you see we identified 2 licenses for your mining business in Minnesota. And now, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So here you're gonna choose like yes, and I recommend like for you to that they are going to send it to you, that you're not going to solve it by yourself. So just press yes here, fill the street address, everything, and then you're good to go. And then press again next when you're gonna fill it out. And the last 2 steps is that you're gonna have review order. So like contact info, agent, company information, member info, business tax consultation, everything. And then I would click again, press next. And then you see the cardholder first name, last name, street address, card number, and then you would click complete and pay. And this is pretty much it how we can do it. And this is how we can start your own LLC in Minnesota. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can easily call to Incfile or chat them, and you will get all the answers that you need. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is how you can start your own LLC, how to start LLC in Minnesota. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.